Welcome back to C programming lecture series, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about logical operators. First of all, I will discuss about double equal to. This is a logical comparison operator in which right hand side value is compared to the left hand side. It is usually used with the if statement. So second is not equal to. This is also used with if statement to compare whether left hand side value is not equal to the right hand side value. Okay, first this is used to check whether both values are equal. This is used to check whether both values are not equal. And greater than. This is used to check whether left hand side is greater than right hand side. Less than. This is used to check whether left hand side is less than right hand side value. And greater than or equal to. This is used to check whether left hand side is greater or equal to right hand side. Okay, less than or equal to. This is used to check whether left hand side is less or equal to right hand side value. So we will discuss these with the help of example. First of all, I will write int a is equal to 5. Int, or I can write here int a comma b, a equals to 5, b equals to 5. First I am going to check if a equals to b. If a equals to b, then printf a is equal to b. So if a equals to, if, because this time both a and b are 5, so these are equal, so the condition is true, so this code of line will be executed. So if I am running this program, it will print a is equal to b because a is equal to b this time. If you can see here, a is equal to b. Now if I will write here if a not equals to b, since these are equal, but I am checking if a is not equal to b, then print hello. I will print here print hello. Hello will be only printed when a is not equal to b, but this time a is equal to b, so it will get certain trouble and hello will not get printed. If there will be an else of this if statement, that else part will be executed because this condition will not satisfy this time. So here nothing is to be executed because we have not else statement in this, and if is also not true. If this condition is not true, so this line of code is not executed. If we have written here else, so that else would have been executed. So I will write here print hello, I am in else part. You can see the result of this program here. We are this time in else part as both are equal. You can see here output hello, I am in else part because our if statement is not. If I will give two different values to this a and to this b, since I have given them equal value, I will give a is equal to 25 and b is equal to 5 or something 51. Okay, so this condition, this time this condition will be executed and this line of code will be executed. This line of code will be, as this condition is true this time. So you can see the result here. Our result is hello. This is hello we got here. Now I am going to write if a is greater than, if a is greater than b. Okay, print hello, else print hello, I am in else part. So this time a is smaller than b. If I will write a is equal to 250, now a is greater than b, so this part, this line of code will get executed. I will run this and we will get hello because a is greater than b. This is the greater than. Okay, this is a greater than symbol of this. You can see the result hello had occurred because A is greater than B. Now if I am going to write if A is less than B, this condition is not true because B is greater than A. Because A is greater than B, A is not less than B. So this time else part will get executed. You can see the result. Hello, I am in else part. This has been executed. So now if I will write B also 250. This time both are equal. So I have to write here if A is greater than or equal to. A is not greater. A is not greater than B. A is equal to B. But here I am checking if A is greater than B. But now I am checking A is greater than or equal to B. So if A is greater than or equal to A is not greater than B, but it is equal to B. So this time also this line of code will be executed because this is true condition, as maybe it may not be greater, but it is equal to B. Similarly, we can use this in case of less than or equal to condition. Since both are equal, hello had occurred, and if I would have written here if A is less than or equal to. At this time also this particular code will get executed as both are equal. You can see the result here. Both are equal, so hello had occurred. Now I am going to use and I am going to use or. For that I am going to illustrate with this with an example. So I am going to build up a program that will illustrate the use of these operators. So I will write here char gender, char gender, okay, char gender and int age. Basically, what is this char gender? This basically what is it? This is a char data type. It will hold only one character at a time. Character may be any alphabet or any number or any character you will see on keyboard, like equal to, comma. That are all characters, and character is written in single quotes. This is integer type data. So I will first of all I will get the value of this gender. I will write here printf enter your gender. I will give user a hint M for male or F for female. Okay. Then I will insert a new line here. Why I am giving this hint here? Because user cannot write MALE. User cannot write FEMALE because this is a character type. Gender is a character type. It cannot hold MALE. It is not a string. String is basically a group of characters, but it is not a group of characters. It is a character. It can hold only one character. It can either hold M or F or any other character, but single character. It cannot hold a group of characters. That is why. And I am writing here scanf %c because I am scanning character at this time. So I am using %c comma and gender. Similarly, I am going to copy this and paste it here. Here I will write enter your age. This thing will not occur here. Here I will write and age, but instead of this %c I will write %d because this is an integer type variable. So then now I have got age and gender, both I have got. Now I am going to compare. I am writing here if gender equals to male. Since this is a character, so I have to write it in a single quotes here. If it is a male, then do this. Else, if it is a female, then do this. Else, if it is something else, suppose user will not enter M or user will not enter F. Suppose user will enter P, L. User will enter any alphabets like G, H, J, K, L. That is not equal to M or that is not equal to F. In that case, what should happen? At that time, here I will write printf wrong. data. Okay. Here, in case of gender, I will make him eligible. Printf, you are eligible. Eligible. You are eligible. And here I will write printf, you are not eligible. You are not eligible. So this is a simple program. If it is a male, then you are eligible. If you are a female, then you are not eligible. Else, if you have typed any other thing, then it is a wrong data. So I will run this program and we'll see the output. Here, if you are male, M, and your age may be anything, 25, you are eligible. And if you have entered female, suppose I will enter here F and your age is 25, you are not eligible in that case. If I will write any other data, suppose I will write L, enter your age 25. Here it will write wrong data. So it is up to you how you can arrange your data, how you can arrange your variables, and how you can write these statements. You can change it anywhere, any place. Okay. So now I want to add here one more thing. If it is male, but also his age should be greater than 18. Age is greater than or equal to 18. In case of female, I have not checked anything else. Since it is female, it is not eligible. Now I am writing here if it is male and also his age is greater than 18. So I am using logical AND here. So I am checking if both of these two conditions will be true, then this block of code will get executed. Okay. If either of them is true, then this block of code will not get executed because both these statements should be true because I am using AND here. So I will run this and I will write here if it is a male, but he is not greater than 18, he is suppose 17. In that case, it will not enter into this block. It is not entering this block. It is not also entering this block. Why? Because I have written M here. In this block, their gender should be F. I have written here M. So also it will not enter into this block. It will enter into this block because it is else. Anything can be here. So it is writing wrong data. Okay. It should not write this wrong data. It should write that you are male, but your age is, that is up to you how you can correct this. But for this time I am going to illustrate how AND is used. Okay. So this was AND. Both of these conditions should satisfy. Suppose if it is male and his age is 25, which is greater than or equal to 18. So at that time, if both these conditions are satisfying, then you are eligible. So similarly, I can use OR. If I am using OR statement here, okay, that means if gender is male or if it is not male, if it is anything else, but age is greater than 18, at that time, you will say you are eligible. So if it will be female this time, gender I will press F, but age I will write greater than 8. At that time you are eligible. So I will run it. What I am saying that if it is female, earlier it was not eligible, but if age is 18 or greater than 18, then at that time you will see female is also eligible. Because out of these, only one, if one condition is satisfied among these two conditions, only if one condition, in our case, at this time, this condition is satisfied, no matter what the gender of this, what the value of this gender is, whether it is a male or female, but our age condition is satisfying, so it is coming into this part that you are eligible. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies.